Everybody, this is the handbag caller here coming to you with a quick unboxing. I am so excited. I had to come and do this on my lunch break. I received my box today. I'm trying a new brand. Before I get into that, please remember to like and subscribe if you are new. Hit that bell button for my notifications also. So I'm going to get into it really quick here. My box is a little bit beat up here, as you can see, but it's from Dillard's. So let's look inside. It's got my packing slip all on top of the box. It's probably the one I looked at on the floor, but this is Kelly-Tooke, you all, and I'm telling you that this is a really nice bag. It's light. Look at the hardware. It's got the long zipper pull. Oh my god, it smells like brand new leather. A long tassel here. This is really cute. Let's take a look at the hardware. It's got the Kelly-Tooke logo on the front. It has 5 feet on the bottom. See the sides, the zipper comes all the way down the side there. And I had saw this on the website where the side can be tucked in, or you can have it kind of tucked out like that. It looked better on the website. I think I like it tucked in here, but if you need more room, you can. But this bag is pretty huge. Comes with the dust bag, and it's lined with the red suede. This is real suede, you all. Real suede. You have a slip pocket there. You can see, and it has her name there. And then you have a zipper pocket right here. Okay. Oh, this bag is really nice. So I'm gonna hold it on me. And the tassel is detachable if you don't like tassels, or if you want to change it up and put something else on there. But let me show you just how big this bag is. You can fit a lot in here, a lot. See that? This is really cute. I actually went on the site to get the red one because they had it in red, they had it in black. They had some other colors on her site, and the red was gone. But they did have, this color is called Cognac. And I'll leave a little description in the box with a little bit of history on Kelly-Tooke. But in here, she says, our mission is to produce the finest, most inspired leather products in the world by embracing the natural beauty of the leather itself, the grain, unique markings, and brand. We create one-of-a-kind bags and accessories designed to enchant and achieve an equal quality that will last for generations. And I tell you guys, this pebbled leather is really nice. As you can see, it's really nice. It's not a heavy bag. It's really a light bag and really nice. I'll show you a little bit closer. You know, I look at the heat seals and everything as far as the quality goes. But this is really cute. I saw this in Dillard's when I did the my other video, which I'm gonna repost that video, because when I went back and looked at it, it really didn't do what I saw justice. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna redo it so you guys can get a closer look at what they had in Dillard's. But again, I just wanted to quickly show you all my new brand that I am trying out here, and I think that I'm gonna like it. So yeah. So guys, go out there and check her out, and I think you won't be disappointed. So I'm glad you all joined me. Please, again, like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Hit that bell button, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care, everybody.